Hi guys, so I'm about to go to an event. It is just around the corner from work and I have about 10-15 minutes to get this all done. So I wanted to show you my quick look using a bunch of new Revlon products. So I'm going to hop right into it with my under eye brightener is from Vasanti. I'm putting this on first. Usually I'll do my eyeshadow first, but since today I'm not doing powder eyeshadows, I'm doing creams, I don't need to worry about too much fallout. So they have this great eyeshadow primer. It's from Colorstay, and it's in this really pretty tube. I'm not going to use this because I'm just going out at night, but it actually helps make your eyeshadow stay on all day long, as it should. I'm using their cream shadows. This one is 730. I'm going to be using this little eyeshadow brush to apply it, but they do come with their own brushes, and they work amazing. They're so great for on the go. It's this little pot, and then right in the lid, you have a brush that pops out right here. It's so convenient. That one is a little bit stiff though, so I like the soft eyeshadow brush. This is just the standard one from Revlon as well. It's very soft. The bristles do kind of shed a little, but I'll take it. It's a really soft brush and it picks up these creams very well. Next, I'm going to go into color 710, and it's this nice, what kind of shade is this? Like a warm bronze. So 710 is going to go into my crease, just kind of on the outer corner of it. This one is 715. It's a nice dark brown with very little amount of shimmer. Those other two ones were shiny. This one's just like a warm brown. So this one darkens up the crease very nicely. You have great depth with those three shades. This neutral eye just makes your lids pop because the dark shades in the crease mixed with that nice light shade on the inner corner and lid. Beautiful. So lids are done. I'm then doing my eyeliner, and this one is so cool. It's the Colorstay Exactify liquid liner that has the little pizza roller tip. Hopefully you can see it there. I'll put more photos on my blog. But I'm just gonna roll this right along the lash line. In here there is the little well. You can see where the eyeliner comes out of. You just roll it right across like this. The line comes up. So it's a bit uneven, but overall, if you kind of like continue building up the line, it can get darker eventually. The coolest part is that it dries to a true like lacquer finish. You kind of do need to go gently to get a darker look, which is good because then you can be super gentle on your eye. This shade is incredible. It's in the shade Mulberry. Really cool product. I would definitely recommend trying it out if you love a good burgundy brown liquid liner. Also, the staying power is incredible. So I just pizza rolled it across my eyelids. That sounds terrible. And I got this nice dramatic look. So I'll put close-ups on my blog. Next, I'm gonna go in with foundation. So this brand new Insta-Filter foundation just comes right out the top, and it is a sponge. So it feels really nice on the skin. It is a bit dense, but it serves its purpose well, and it does blend out the foundation great. So no complaints here. I did stupidly try to like wash it just to see how it would work if you kind of wanted to wash off the blender portion. And it does not work with water, FYI, because foundation is constantly coming through the top, so can't do that. But you can spray it with like rubbing alcohol or a liquid brush cleaner, like a spray-on brush cleaner. I'm next gonna go in with the cream blush. This is the one product I don't love, just because I find it's a bit patchy. The shade is gorgeous, and it's 330. Just have a tough time on top of the foundation making it look right. So kind of what I do is I'll just draw it on like that and then blend it in with fingers. Just kind of a time-consuming process for the result. Now on any spots, I'm just using the other side of my Vasanti. Powder is the Color Stay powder in light, and I'm using the tapered powder brush, which is incredible. Going over everything. Remembered I forgot my under eye concealer. My It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye in Light. A little bit on my fingers. This is my favorite way to apply. Warm it up and tap it in. It's awesome, and it kind of acts as a highlight too if you bring it just from the inner corner down and up onto the tops of the cheekbones. I'm gonna do some contouring and blushing, so I'm getting my bronzer, running that in. Then just a very light tap into this blush. It's a super intense blush. Just a little bit of that highlight. Brows, I'm using the little Revlon brow kit with the wax. And I'm going to do the powder. Brows are done. Comes with a little spoolie, so you can just brush it out. Lashes, I'm using Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, though I do love the Revlon blue cap mascara. I think it's like extensions. It will be listed below. Oh my gosh, this mascara adds drama. Lips, I'm doing Tease in Tainted Love. So this is the final look. Check out the blog post below for all the photos. Bye!